Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm going to share an essential guide on how to purchase replacement gloves for your household humanoids. Just like a pair of high-quality shoes or precision tools, these gloves naturally wear out as your humanoid assists with daily chores. Over the next few minutes, we'll look at the complete process of selecting and buying the right replacements to keep your humanoid in top shape. To understand why we're here, let's look at the bigger picture. Owning a humanoid typically involves 3 stages. First, the selection and purchase of a model that fits your home. Second, the training phase. And finally, the maintenance stage, specifically replacing worn-out parts like gloves at authorized stores. Today, we are focusing on this final, crucial piece of the puzzle, the maintenance process. You might wonder, why is this so important? Well, there are 4 key reasons. First, durability, physical wear is inevitable. Second, safety and precision, damaged gloves can lead to errors in delicate tasks. Third, task specialization, you wouldn't use oven mitts to fix a watch, right? Humanoids also need specific gloves for different tasks. And finally, performance, new gloves ensure the best grip and sensor feedback. Now, where should you go? It is critical to only use officially authorized specialty stores. Why? Because they guarantee quality and offer professional consultation. They ensure that the gloves you buy are 100% compatible with your specific model, preventing any technical glitches later on. When you walk into a showroom, you'll see they are organized by task. For example, we have kitchen gloves with heat resistance, cleaning gloves that are chemical resistant, and precision gloves for high-sensitivity tasks. Choosing the right category is the first step toward a smarter home. What you see on screen is an actual glove specialty store. As you can see, a wide variety of gloves are neatly displayed by category, making it easy to find exactly what you need. To make this even clearer, think of an electric vehicle. Just as an EV owner needs to change tires or brake pads to maintain performance, a humanoid owner needs to update gloves based on the environment. In both cases, the golden rule is the same: always verify compatibility before you buy. Depending on your needs, you can choose from 3 durability tiers. The standard type is perfect for general indoor use and lasts about 3 months. If you need something for both indoors and outdoors, the durable type lasts 6 months. For extreme conditions, we recommend the premium tier, which features a special nano coating and lasts up to a full year. This is the most important part of the presentation. To prevent any mistakes, the stores use an automated verification process at checkout. The system scans the glove's RFID, you input your humanoid's model info, and the system confirms compatibility instantly. It's a foolproof way to ensure you're getting the right part every time.
Are these the DuraGrip model?
Yes, they are. The compatibility check is successful.
To wrap things up, just remember these 4 steps. Visit an authorized store, select the right category, verify compatibility at checkout, and complete your purchase. Smart humanoid management starts with something as simple as the right pair of gloves. This is a scenario how household humanoids will be commercialized. You may find another presentation. Please contact through my LinkedIn. I am an incubator to make a business of sensor-embedded glove. Thank you for your time.